everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. As you saw in the intro, the new track at Dallas Karting Complex has been built and it is now open. They call it the North Track. So in this video, I'm going to take you around a few laps in both this club kart, which is a 100cc kart, and also in a rental kart, so you can see the track from both perspectives in case you want to come out and drive the track with your family or your friends and have a good time out here. Now, I did mention North Track, so that's right, there's going to be a South Track. The old track has been demolished already and they're currently working on building the South Track. I have no idea when it's going to be ready. Your guess is as good as mine. But wait, there's more. Both tracks can be combined together to make one big super track, and it just may be the biggest go-kart track in the world. We will wait and see. Alright, we're getting ready to start the first lap. We have one more right-hander here, which I'll talk about a little bit more in a second. The start-finish line is going to be right here. I like this first turn. Now this second turn here is going to be a hairpin to the right. You really have to slow the kart down to make the turn. This third turn here, for me, is the hardest. It's just a tricky turn, and right about here it's kind of slippery right now. The track's going to change and get a lot more grip as more people run it. Here's a chicane, which is a lot of fun to go through. Got to be careful though and not end up in the grass. Here's another hairpin to the right. I like this one a little bit more than the first one. But we immediately go to another hairpin, this time to the left. This one's a little bit of a tighter turn as well. You need to go all the way across the track and then get set up for this last section. Right through here. Fastest part of the track, which leads you on to, for me, probably the scariest turn on the track right here, because if you hit it wrong, there's barriers right there you're probably going to run into. Alright, so let's take one silent lap around. Alright, let's take a few laps on the track in a rental kart. This is a final turn on the track, getting ready to start turn one. Completely missed it there. I only did one session on a rental kart, looking forward to doing a lot more. This was a complete blast to do in these karts. Now I'm sure the lines will change as we get more experience in the rental kart. It's a little different driving a rental kart from a club kart. So we have a left-right chicane, which I took full throttle. Just have to be careful, because if you don't hit it right, you're going to go off track. And that's not good. Try to keep the kart wound up. This left-hander seems to be a little bit more tight than the other hairpins. So we may alter the line through there. Now again, you want to keep the rental kart wound up. You want to enter this a little wider, which sets you up really nice. Now this last turn here, this right-hander, I did take it full throttle, but please be careful trying to do this. There's not a lot of room for error. And if you get it wrong, you're going to be in those barriers on the left, and it probably won't be the best time of your life. All right, just like the club kart, let's take a silent lap around the track. I hope you enjoyed taking those laps with me around the new track at Dallas Karting Complex. If you've driven on the track, let me know what you think about it. Also, let me know which turn is your favorite and which turn do you find the most challenging to take. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below as well. Depending on what they are, I might be able to answer them. Like the video, it helps other people see this video and see that there's a cool new track out at Dallas Karting Complex. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.